Welcome back. In today's vlog,
hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday, January the 20th. So I'm feeling really great right now, guys. I'm feeling so inspired and I feel so good right now. I just want to give you guys that. I want to give you every little part of me as the way that I am, okay? So right now she feels good, so she thought she would come on. So guys, let's just get on into the video. Thank you guys for tuning in for another episode of Simply Natural Black Life. Let's get it, let's go. All right, guys, we're just gonna get into the video where I am at right now at this present time. It is almost 4:30 and we're gonna just take it from here, okay? So I just wanna show you guys today, I'm just trying to, like I told y'all, I'm trying to save money, I'm trying to help people, I'm trying to bless others, and I just wanna be good to myself, okay, if that makes sense. So this is how I am good to myself, okay? So thank you all for tuning in. Like I said earlier, got my lemon water, not lemon, but lime water. Tastes so good. Keeps you hydrated. It makes you feel good inside. So let's get into this video. Okay, I'm just gonna show you some things I'm gonna switch out, give away, donate, bless, all of that, all in one little video real quick. So you guys remember this sweatshirt? H&M sweatshirt. It's a man's shirt, right? But as I looked at it, I said, now why does this have flowers on it and it say inspiring, right? Sometimes when we buy stuff, y'all, you have to really insect? Is it insect? Is it insect, y'all? What y'all know what I'm trying to say? Dissect. You have to dissect things. Inspired with flowers, I don't know. I think this is more geared towards some other stuff, which I ain't got nothing to do with that. I love everybody. I don't want this. I'm gonna be taking this to the church, not the church. I'm gonna be taking this to the shelter for the ladies. So this is gonna go. So as you know, Sonia did something else with her wardrobe as far as athletic wear. This, the gray. So I think I told y'all before, I was looking for a white hoodie. I found one out of the kids section one day at the Goodwill. So I found this one. It zips and it has pockets. And the reason why I wanted this particular type is because I can put on a tank top, which I own those, under this, and it's easy to get on and off, opposed to this one, which is hard. You gotta take it off and then do all that stuff. I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to make my life as easy as possible. It makes sense to make your life as easy as possible, okay? So I got this one, and I also picked up a black one. The same scenario. Hood, zipper, pockets. They were both $2.79. If you're wondering, kids section, okay? They're both small. That's just what I am. Okay. You guys remember I picked this up from the bins and it had like a little small crack. So I'm I took this out of the back family room, which is totally okay because I'm gonna end up donating this wood bowl that I spray painted black. It's all wood. I'm gonna take these balls, and these balls are gonna go in here, and I will be blessing those women that live in that place. They're going to go to their own homes, and I just always try to give them things that I think somebody would really like. So I'm going to be letting somebody get this nice, beautiful bowl here with the nice carving design. So this is going as well to that place, and let's put this over here because we're keeping these things. The next item I'm going to be outing with for the ladies that's going in their own home will be this nice piece of art, y'all. Decor, home decor. I'm outing with this. They'll be getting that as well. I'm also going to be outing with these three because I'm going to show you guys something that I picked up the other day that was half off, and I was very, very excited, and I think I was at the right place at the right time. So I already gifted my daughter boxes of things like this. I'm going to be gifting this to one of the ladies, a family member, whoever going to get their own house. They will be getting this as well. Okay, coasters. You guys know I have made these coasters previously, like last year. They're real marble tops off of candles, and I put cork on them, DIY'd them. I have 3 other wood ones. I'm going to gift these to my mother so she can out with her old plastic ugly ones that all tore up. So these will be going to my mom. I have these blue light, very nice peach color lenses for the blue light. I already have these, so I'm going to be outing and blessing someone at the place with these, okay? So these are going to be going to the same place as mostly everything else except for the coasters. So let's take these coasters, put them over here because they're going to mom. I'm trying to think what else I have here. Guys, this stuff has been picked up here and there. I just didn't show it. Some things you don't have to show it every time. But this is organic plant food and fertilizer. I got that for $1. I'm going to be doing this with my house plants, and it's also good for your outdoor harvest. So y'all know it's in Ohio, it's cold right now. Can't use this right now, but I sure can use it for my house plants. So that's gonna stay. And then one day I was there and I picked up these. I love these. These are 100% organic cotton cloths that you can use, and you can wash these, y'all. Look how you can hang them. Ain't they nice? So I have 5 of them. So you guys already know I have more than 5. I think I have 6. I have white, we have a light gray, a dark gray, a beige, and another gray. And then I have a blue one. So I'm gonna pick out the ones that I want. I'm probably gonna give this to the ladies, family member. One to the, so this is gonna go in this pile. I'm gonna put it in the bag too because it tells what it is. I'm gonna give this one to my mom and tell her to use little rags, even with myself, just get rid of the rags. I'm gonna keep this one. This one is going to my mom along with the coasters. I'm gonna keep this one, which is a light gray. This one is a darker gray. And this one is a white. So I'm gonna keep these for the house. And I'm gonna gift her my mom this other gray one. So yeah, guys, that is it for this part of the video, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side, okay? All right, guys, I just wanted to come on really quick. I wanted to show you this vessel that look at this. I bought this from the Goodwill, guys. I did spray paint it. I'm gonna throw in a picture of how she looked before when I got her. I think I got 2 pictures I took. This was originally $7.86 or something like that. If you could see, it has a tag on here that says it was originally $14.99. I love this. So this is gonna go here. It needs to be painted more, but I'm not gonna put anything in it at all. I'm gonna leave it as is. And then this here, you guys see me put the balls in here. I might spray paint this black. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know I'm gonna get some green paint and I'm gonna spray paint these Smell Good lilac. I'm gonna spray paint them green because I just feel like they should be green. It doesn't really match in here. You can't tell because they have beige in them. So that's my plans for this. Also, this shirt, I'm gonna be also putting it with everything else that I said that was gonna be for the ladies at the shelf, at the place that's transitioning to their own home. So just wanted to show you guys my new vessel that's gonna be staying stationary right here on the table. And also I got a plan for those pictures that I showed y'all. I'm just trying to do it simple, live simple, save as much as I can. I got a thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that artwork up without the frames, and I'm gonna show you guys in another video, okay? All right, y'all, we are in the linen closet. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to hang up our new towels that have hooks on them. I told you these are the ones I'm keeping, just 3. This gray, white, and I have the darker gray, right? So we're gonna go ahead and put them. If you guys can see, I'm gonna put one here. This is what my brooms and all that kind of stuff is. And then, did I drop one, y'all? I sure did. And the white one, I dropped one on the floor, hold on. And then I'm gonna take this one and put it here. So I like that. I like how everything is where it needs to be. And I have my towels when I want to wipe off stuff, spills, or what have you, clean off tables. I have my towels. So if I didn't mention, they are organic 100% cotton towels.
All right, guys, I just thought I'll come back to show you guys. Okay, this is the black sweatshirt. I love it. Look, put my tank on. Can you guys see? I put my tank on, and you just see how that elevates it right here. Then look, throw my hood on like that. You guys see that? I love it. I love it. So I just wanted to show you guys how that feels and how that looks. This is cotton. It feels so good. Just want to show you too, guys. Here's another pair of my new slippers. These are more of like a camel peach color. I absolutely love them. These are more my size. It's like a 7/8, but I wanted to show you guys. But I just came on to show you guys how this outfit looks. Like I said, with the actual hoodie on. I just like this, and I like the fact that it ties, and it just, wearing a tank underneath it elevates it even more, because pull your shirt out like this if you want, you know, to make it and show your little tassel here, your little you know, string, and it just elevates it more. I just like it. I just wanted to come back and show you, and I'll get ready to show you guys the other one as well.
And I pray I can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah. Whenever the times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I found a way to go back in time, found a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time.
All right, guys, we're gonna end this video. I'm about to eat me something, drink me a little wine, and yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always remember, love yourself so that you better love others, so this world will be a much better place. Guys, look, this is what I'm having. I just put together some those crumbles with some noodles. I added some of this, and I'm gonna sprinkle it with this. And I also have some peas and carrots. I'll throw in a clip of the picture of food. Peace, y'all. Love you guys. Bye.
And I love you still, I always will. Be strong, 'cause in my eyes you.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday evening. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome. It's Saturday night and I'm feeling all right, y'all. I'm feeling all right drinking some regular water, okay? Some regular water. I normally don't film at night, but it's not really late. I did upload a video today, guys. Go check out Simply Black Vegan. I did put up a video. I think you guys will like it. Even if you don't eat vegan, I just think you'll like it. Just knowing how to do certain things in your kitchen, I think you will. I'm trying to think what else is going on. Oh, I did go to Goodwill today. And the only reason I went to Goodwill was because you guys know I'm still searching for my sofa. So what I have came up with, I'm going to just be doing some online shopping. Overstock.com has, Overstock.com is offering like 10 or 17%. And then also Home Goods online. So I'm going to try that. And then I'm trying to think what else, y'all. I think that's all I can do, because I don't want to just keep on and on. And I came up with an idea. Just to give my mom the other sofa and just get it out of here, instead of waiting until I get a sofa and then take it there. You know what I mean? I think the best thing for me, I feel that will help me and I will feel comfortable with, is just giving her the sofa and just wait until get a sofa. Because to be honest, nobody really sits in there all the time like that. So that's something I came up with. But let me just show you guys. Oh, another thing too. I have decided, and I've got to find out how much it's going to cost for a small thing of paint, like quart size. I'm actually thought about finishing that back wall. You remember where I put it, like just the square part for the theater stuff? I think it should be all black, like this wall here. I think that's what I'm going to do. So stay tuned for that. Oh, so let me just go ahead and show y'all what I picked up. What? From the Goodwill. I'm watching a movie about well, I guess it's like serious. I guess something happened like 13 years ago on the airplane, and then they come back and try to like go back to civilization. Didn't work out. So that, yeah. Guys, look at these pillowcases. Look. I got, look. This one was they both was $1.11. It's champagne gold, y'all. But look at the print on here. What? That is so beautiful. This size is probably 18 by 8. It could be 24 by 24. But the kicker was, this one had a pillow in it. Already. Down pillow. So I'm going to take this one out of here. I had already told y'all, this does look good with that. If I did Christmas, the green and that would look pretty together. So what I've decided to do, I'm going to get rid of these, okay? Because I don't really like lumbar pillows. I don't know if you guys know that about me. I don't really too much care for lumbar pillows. So I'm going to out with the 2 lumbars on the bed. And I'm just going to stick with this one and this one. So these have to get washed. So I'll have both of these on the bed. And then with these white ones right here will be taken off because I actually don't really care for that pattern, or that they are cotton, but I'm just going to donate them. So anyway, guys, that is going to end it for this vlog. Like I said, today is Saturday. I think it's the 21st. Yes, it is the 21st. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for me. Let me know if you stayed to the end of the video. Okay, so I will see you guys probably in a couple more, in another week or something. But yeah, that is my plans for right now. And yeah, so the next you'll see, I just want like the pillows, like this one here. I love this color gray, this velvet gray, 100% cotton. If I can find black ones, I'm just gonna I'm gonna keep the pillows, and I'll just change out the pillows instead of having to have all these pillows on the bed. So it'll just be 1, 2, and then the 2 new ones. And I think it's gonna look nice. So I will see you guys in another video. Always remember to love yourself so that you be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place, right, y'all? Okay. Cheers. Good night.
What are you doing?
Good. Hey guys, guess what? Today's my lucky day. I just left Goodwill and I found the lampshade for $1. So she got her lampshade. That's one thing out of the way. And if you want to know, it is Monday, the 20th. I think it's the, let me see on this receipt what day it is, y'all. It's actually the 23rd, y'all. It's the 23rd. So, and then today might be the day that the couch go out. So if it does, you guys will be the first to know. The couch going out, not a couch coming in yet, but a couch going out. Okay, so yeah, guys, just checking in. Hope you guys are doing well. Enjoy your day.
At New Adventures, we are striving to meet each child's development.
Me, you sooner or later you would fall for me. It was all for me. As we went deeper, found the love in a place that we never knew. Change all of my plans, making room.
What's up? What's up? What up? What up? I just got through washing my hair with the Just As I Am, As I Am product and rice water, and then I saturated my hair with coconut oil. And yeah, I just wanted to say good night, y'all. That's all I got for y'all for this Monday. Let me show y'all something, okay? Bam! It's gone. The couch is gone, guys. Look at that. Yes, it's gone. The fun thing is something will come in one day. So yeah, guys, I will see you all in the next vlog or video in the near future. All right, to be continued. Bye, guys. Always remember to love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Oh, and I'm wearing my hoodie today with some leggings, comfy house shoes. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Found love in a place that we never knew. Change all of my plans, making room.